This is Unboxing with Kid Gloves. With the big kids!
All right, so this is going to be a new thing. This is called Unboxing with Kids Gloves. Get it? Like boxing and gloves. Anyway, I just wanted to have an opportunity to show the world my awesome children and expose them to the world of packaging. So I got in a shipment today from Hue Kitchen, and it says get back to human right there on the box. So I have invited my daughter Vivian to come help with the unboxing video. So come on in, Viv. Hey.
Hi.
And look, you got your, show everyone your shirt. It says
Humankind.
Humankind for Hue. So we are going to, do you know what an unboxing video is?
Sure.
Here's all you do. We're going to open this up, and you're going to tell me what it is.
Okay.
But in your words.
Okay.
All right? So you don't have to use all the official language from the packaging people. All right. So first things first. This is how the box came in, right? We just got it. Here, you got to face the camera, Viv. So that's how the box came in. What kind of a box do we have there?
A boxy box.
It's a boxy box?
It looks very much like a box.
Yep. Do you know what kind of material do you think that is?
Cardboard box.
It's a cardboard box. All right. So we've got a cardboard box. What else do you observe about it? How is it closed?
It is closed at the top.
Yeah, with what kind of material?
Tape.
Tape. Perfect. And what do you think this is?
It is a label.
It's a label. That's right. Congratulations. Okay. So now we're going to open it up. All right. And we're back to Getting Human with Vivian. We're doing an unboxing video here for Hue. And Viv, by the way, you love to bake, right? Mm-hmm. You're a great baker. So let us see. What do we have in here? So crack it open and let's go through the experience. So what's the first thing you see?
I see a card thing.
Okay, well, what does it say? Let's start there.
It says, if you fell, I'd catch you.
show the camera. If you fell, I'd catch you.
Oopsie, oopsie.
Okay, what do we got next? This is fun. This is an experience, right?
Okay, and there's just okay.
They're Valentines.
You make me melt. Okay. We're meant to be.
Instead of meant.
They get it.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I'd give you my last square.
I wouldn't.
I wouldn't either. Okay.
And if you fell, I'd catch you. Cool. So how did that make you feel opening this? What do you think it is? You don't even know what this is, do you?
Well, it clearly has something to do with stuff.
Well, yeah, but what kind of stuff?
Like baking stuff.
Would you give those Valentine's Day cards out to people?
To myself.
To yourself? All right. So let's dig in. What's the next thing you see? Pull it out. What is that?
Paper thing.
Yeah. What do you think that's called in packaging technical terms?
A hat.
No, it's not a hat. I mean, what do you think? I mean, it could be used for a hat, right?
Could be used for a hat.
And that's paper. Why would they have to put paper in the box?
So that the stuff doesn't get shaken around. Maybe.
Yeah, exactly.
Yay.
That's awesome. That's called void fill.
Okay.
All right,
Void
so
fill.
drop that on the ground.
Void fill.
Vivy's void fill. You're gonna wear it as a hat? Okay. Awesome. And what do we have next?
Chocolate.
Okay, box.
Snacking and baking. Dark chocolate gems.
So what kind of packaging do you think this is?
Baggaging.
Baggaging? Yes. That's a fun term. Baggaging. Did they do a good job? Do you know exactly what that product is?
Yes, I do. It's chocolate.
And what would you do with that chocolate?
I would eat it.
Would you also bake with it, or would you only eat it?
I would do both.
Right, and it says very clearly. Show everyone the front of the baggaging. There you go. So you can do both. You can either eat it. Should we eat one?
We should.
Okay, open it up. Ooh, look how easily that tore. Did you see that?
Oh, that was so fun.
That was pretty sweet. That was a nice, clean tear.
Good job.
I don't even think there's a... Are there... Hang on, let me see. I'm just looking. I'm looking at it.
Okay,
Yeah, great job. All right, now open it up. I'll hold it. 2 hands. This isn't even child resistant. Oh, man.
I smell it.
Okay. You want to?
Is everything
Little
okay?
tiny. These are vegan, organic, paleo.
They're
And look,
yummy.
they're so good. No refined sugar, no cane sugar, no artificial flavors, no dairy, no sugar alcohols, no stevia, no... What's that?
Soy.
No soy. That's not actually Spanish. That's a word, soy.
Okay.
Lecithin, and no sunflower
Thing.
lecithin. What do you want to say to the people at Hue?
Yummy.
Yummy? Okay, stop eating it. I'm going to get in so much trouble if Mom finds out you ate all this chocolate. All right. Well, great job, Hugh. So we're going to get back to being human. We're going to go on with our life, but awesome job with
Yummy
the
job.
packaging. What was your favorite part of the unboxing experience, Viv?
Eating the chocolate.
Eating the chocolate. What about the packaging? What was the thing that stood out to you the most about the experience? The paper hat? Awesome. I love it. All right. Bye.